This one's not so hot. Ball joint delete. 2000 F250. Still have to have modification on the bushing. Reseat the bearing. Put it back on the axle. Got the welder torch. Heated it to 600 degrees. Then, not very good description on how to put this together, other than taking the ball joint on, taking the ball joint off, heating it to 600 degrees, welding it in place. Once it's cool, I'll place it in place, find my angle, get my bearings at 0, and then I'll make my modifications to the bushing, caster camber bushing. It's set at 3 degrees. I need it to be set at half a degree. And then we should be good to go.